Sunday afternoon. Would you like a cocktail?
I would love to have a cocktail.
So this Sunday, we want to look at something from literature, which would be something from The Sun Also Rises by Hemingway. And it's called the Jack Rose.
All right.
And the Jack Rose is a very simple cocktail, very easy to make. The Jack Rose was particularly interesting to me because Jake from The Sun Also Rises drinks this in the hotel lobby with the bartender for while he waits for Brett to show up while before their trip to see the bull run down in Spain. Okay. So anyway, Jack Rose, very simple cocktail. It's made with Applejack. Applejack is also called Jersey Lightning. This is a New Jersey invented and based liqueur. Now there's certain French liqueurs that are similar, but this was commissioned by George Washington. He asked for the recipe from Laird so that he could make it down in Virginia. So this is a very historic liqueur, and it's made from apples, as you would think by the name Applejack. And that brings out the Jack Rose, which the name of which was there's some dispute about was, and some people think it was from Baldy Jack Rose, who was turned state's evidence in a murder trial back in the day. He was a gangster and a gambler, but that's been disputed, and people think it's mostly a portmanteau from just the basic Applejack, and then the color of the drink, which is a rose colored drink, obviously.
Okay.
There's also a French rose called a Jack Couture or something, I don't know, but it also has the same color. But anyway, let's make this drink. So basically, we're gonna get some ice, right?
Okay.
We're gonna drag that out of there with our hands, right? And then we're gonna do Applejack, very easy. Just some glugs, right? It's a couple glugs of you gotta have glugs of some Applejack. We have some fresh squeezed lemon juice. This is lemon. And you're going to add, some lemon juice. And then grenadine.
Grenadine.
Right? This is going to give that rose color, right? Which is what we're looking for. So we'll just do a little dash of grenadine. Okay? And then once we have that all together, we're going to shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Fun, right?
No, we do not like the Paradise Bartender.
Oh,
remember?
She's wonderful. She's
wonderful. No.
And you're gonna need an elegant glass, and we have our.
What have we here?
Our mixture.
Très élégant.
We put our drink in here.
Okay.
And then you're gonna garnish it with a maraschino cherry.
Oh. Zoot, a veritable portmanteau of flavor.
Portmanteau, you like that word?
I do.
All right, so let's see what we have here.
You can test it out.
It smells very good.
Does it? Okay.
Delicious. I'd like to offer you some, but I can't.
That's unfortunate. I'd like to offer you things too, but I suppose I can't now.
Here, let's try it.
All right. Thank you.
Careful.
All right. I have the steadiest hands on the planet. Zoot.
Tart, but sweet.
Yep, definitely has some lemony underpinnings.
Do you taste the apples?
Redness. I do.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed that drink.
I did very much.
Have a great Sunday.
We shall make another one for moi. Au revoir.
Au revoir.